the other day I was blow drying my hair ties because I had to wash them, and I put them in here, and then I started to use my blow dryer, and I put it on like high heat, and that shit started fucking melting. This is a hard plastic can thingy, and I wanted to show you guys what was going on. So here's this shit. Damn. So, letting y'all know, this is what happens. Telling you guys, be careful with your hair. No matter what type of hair you have, thick or fine, or, shit, I had to get them cosmetology words out. Fine, thick, fuck, I don't remember. But, just when you start blow drying hair, please put it on warm or warm and high. Just don't put it on hot right away, because you probably won't know your client and they would be like, damn girl, this shit burning up. So try to work your way from warm to cool, and then if you have to put it on hot, like if you're doing like twists or you're re-dreading or anything like that, just please, if you have, use a cooling button. If you don't have cooling button, then don't touch this part. Please don't. That's basically what I have to say.